So today we're going to unbox a new product. It is called AirComfort. It is a monitor for room climate, so it can track humidity, temperature wirelessly. And there you can see the device features, the app features, and they do have several international design awards as well, which is very impressive, I think. That is AirComfort. And at the bottom, you can read the specification, connectivity, etc., which is very important, especially when you start using the product. And without further ado, let's start unboxing it. As for the packaging, I think it's pretty direct. It's easy in the eye, it's simple, it's neat. From the outside, you can read the important details that you need to know. You can see what the product looks like, so you'll know what you're getting. You'll not get disappointed. Okay, so that is AirComfort, and I bought it from their website, ibbought.com. You can check it yourself as well. They do have another color, a purple one, but I chose orange because it is warm, it's vibrant, it's a happy color. And as you can see, we have now the user manual and the battery. So we need to read the manual to be able to insert the battery properly. Okay. The specification, that's also what we read from outside the box earlier. Okay, so that's how to insert the battery correctly. Make sure that the one with the plus sign is showing. Okay. So now we're gonna open the AirComfort and insert the battery properly. Okay. There you go. Okay, so the next thing that we will do is to connect the device to the app, which we will be able to do so by downloading the app through this QR code. Okay, so that's AirComfort Home. Let's install it, wait for it to download, and let's open it. Now scan the AirComfort. There you go. The reason why I actually bought AirComfort is not just to track the temperature and humidity inside my room, but mainly because I'm planning to get a plant. And because I do not have a green thumb, I need a device to alert me if the room is too hot, too cold, and make sure that the environment where the plant is conducive for its growth. That's a reason why I have it. Okay, so right now it's finalizing. Okay, almost done. There you go. So that is AirComfort and the AirComfort app in my